On October 14, 1947, at an altitude of 13,000 meters, an experimental research rocket plane Balex 1, piloted by Chuck Yeager, did something phenomenal. The pilot was flying and he suddenly noticed something strange. The plane was showing Mach 1.06. Mach 1 is equal to the speed of sound, means the plane was going faster than the speed of sound. Chuck Yeager named the aeroplane Glamorous Glennis in tribute to his wife, and this is the first recognized flight exceeding the speed of sound by a manned aircraft in controlled level flight. And this is how we got the idea of making supersonic aircraft. Supersonic aircraft have been used for research and military purposes, but only two supersonic aircraft, the Tupolev Tu-144 and the Concorde, ever entered service for civil use as a commercial airliners. Let's get the idea of how fast actually the supersonic planes were. Usain Bolt reached a top speed of around 44 km per hour. The fastest bike can travel at the speed of 439 km per hour, and the fastest car can travel at 530 km per hour. A commercial plane like Boeing 747-400 can travel at the speed of 988 km per hour. But Concorde had a maximum cruising speed of 2179 km per hour, and Tu-144 had a maximum speed of 2430 km per hour. The Tu-144 was the world's first commercial supersonic transport aircraft, which was first flown on 31st December 1968, 2 months before the British-French Concorde. But Tu-144 retired from regular passenger service not even a full year after it started, because of its reliability and development issues. But Concorde did his work better than Tu-144. It was first flown on March 2, 1969. Concorde was a tailless aircraft designed with a narrow fuselage permitting 4 abreast sitting for 92 to 128 passengers, an ogival delta wing and a drop nose. It became so famous when it was introduced on 21st Jan 1976. It could maintain a supersonic up to Mach 2.04 at an altitude of 60,000 feet. And everyone wanted to experience going faster than the speed of sound. A regular flight takes around 8 hours to go from New York to London, but Concorde did this in just 3 hours, which is mind-blowing. Concorde was actually a huge success in humankind, but in 2003, it stopped flying.
Concorde's last flight.
On 26 November 2003, it flew its last flight from Heathrow to Filton. But why it stopped flying? On 25 July 2000, Concorde's engine failed, causing the plane to crash, killing all 109 people on board and 4 people on the ground. This was one of the reasons, its safety. But there was another reason, that it was so noisy. The aerodynamics of supersonic flight is called compressible flow because of the compression associated with the shock waves, or we can also call it sonic boom. When an object travels through the air faster than the speed of sound, sonic booms generate enormous amount of sound energy, which is similar to an explosion to the human ear. When it moves faster than the sound waves, it leads the advancing wavefront. Sonic booms due to the large supersonic aircraft can be so loud that may cause minor damages to some structures. And sonic boom does not occur only once, rather the boom is a continuous effect. When the object moves, this conical region also moves behind it, and when the cone passes over the observer, they experience a boom. Now we don't use supersonic aircrafts anymore, but what about the future? Well, NASA is already working on it. They are working on a quite supersonic plane, X-59. Few days ago, they also released its first look on YouTube. It is designed and built to reduce a loud sonic boom. And personally, I am so excited about it because in future we will be able to fly faster than the speed of sound again. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and it's just a reminder that this type of video takes a lot of effort and time. So if you find this video knowledgeable, then don't forget to interact with our channel by subscribing it. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay learning and stay safe.